All right. Good morning, students. I hope you all. So, kindly check how is the video clarity and audio clarity. If both are good, inform to me. Or if you are facing any problem, that also inform to me so that I can understand the situation. All right, let's see. We know Vishnu, can you tell if you face any problem? Similarly, Kushi, you can also tell to me so that I get to know that whether the clarity is good or not good. If everything is good, we are going to start today's that chapter number 16, probability. In that exercise number 16.2, sixth problem and verse 5th, I was given as a homework for you all. All right. Saying good morning, sir. Vishnu said good morning, sir. Yes, Vishnu said all good, sir. Okay. If if clarity is missing, inform to me immediately so that I get to know whether it is any problem is there or not. Okay. All right. Let's start. Let's close our eyes first. We'll pray first, then we'll start our class. So God kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. All right. Our sixth problem, and today we have to finish this exercise. If possible, we'll start 16.3 exercise. Okay. All right. Let's start now. So here it is exercise number 16.2. In that fifth one I was given as a homework. Even the solutions notes also I'm going to send to you all through the WhatsApp. Okay. Let's move on to the next one, that is problem number 6. So it is your exercise number 16.2. So before going to this, again we just recapture our previously what we learned. So we learned what is probability. Probability is nothing but, so it is a measure of uncertain phenomena is called as probability. And then we discussed what is the classical theory of probability. Classical theory of probability is nothing but, so the ratio of favorable outcomes to the total number of equal likely events is called as a theory of classical theory of probability. And then next we discussed what is mean by statistical approach of probability. So which is we already learned in the class 9th. So that is what you learned in the class 9. Depending on the observations and the collected data, if we are able to estimate anything, then any event, then that is called as statistical approach of. These both are having some serious issues because of that reason. So A.N. Kolmogorov, who was famous Russian mathematician in 1933, was wrote a book, Foundations of Probability. From that, we are new. He brought a new idea, that is through the axiomatic, through the axioms, we are approaching the probability. So that is called as axiomatic approach of. Okay. Anyhow, don't think that I'm not coming before of that and not showing the face. The reason behind that, if I'm identification, then again the blur may happens. Because of that reason, without my face I was explaining. Kindly check that. And I was observing your comments clearly here. Okay, don't worry about it. All right. So that we discussed, and later we discussed exercise number 16.1. Then we discussed 16.2. In that 16.2, the main point is what is mutually exclusive and what is mutually exhaustive. Mutually, A and B, that both are, when you do that intersection, if there is no common element, then that is called as mutually exclusive events. If let's say event A and event B both intersection you got as pi, then that is similarly this both events union, if you get a sample space, then that is called as mutually exhaustive events. Okay, so that is about your exercise number 6.16.2 before introduction. Now we are going to discuss sixth problem. Okay. All right. So let's discuss that. Our 16.2 sixth problem we are going to discuss. Right. So let's discuss that sixth problem. What is given in this sixth one? Two dice are thrown. The events A, B, C are as follows. So now two dice are thrown, they said. If two dice are thrown, what is going to be happens? So one die outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and second die outcomes is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in a table manner, I was written here for your understanding purpose. So now first die, in the first chance, both may come 1, 1. And next chance 1, 2. Next 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. And so on up to 6, comma 6. So I hope if two dice are thrown, what are the outcomes you all understood? Then let us discuss now, that is what is given in the event A, what is given in this event B, what is given in the event C. Okay, let's discuss now. So now let's see here. Already some are written answers. That's well and good. Kindly inform to your friends. Hishita, inform to your friends. Let them come and join. And Himanshi Soni also not joined till now. So I think she is joined. And Jainab also not joined. And is that another student who is Jayant Khatri is joined? So kindly check that whether your friends are joined or not. If not joined, inform to them to join. Okay, let's move on to the next. So what is given here? Getting an even number on the first die. In the first die, even number where it is possible, you observe now 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. So in the first die, you are getting even number or not? Yes, so now we are going to write that. So that is set A is equal to, we will write here. So I'm writing on like set A, set B, set C in that way. Let's write now set A. So set A is what was that? 2 comma 1. Even numbers I need to write 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Here remember they said that first die even number, not the second die. So first die even number means, so here 2 is even number, the next first die even numbers are 4. So 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, next 4 comma 5, next 4 comma 6. So after this, next one which is even number you have found here, you found here 6. 6 1, 6 2, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. So write 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Okay, so in this way, our set A, you are going to get as 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6 and 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. You found here the starting number is even number. Okay, and I hope already your friends are, some are written and some are appreciated. Well done. So give thumbs up for them. And let's move on to the set number B. B is what said? Getting an odd number on the first die. Previously even number, then odd numbers. So even numbers means which are done, that completely, that second column 2 1 2 2 2 3 completed, and then 4 1 4 2 completed, then next 6 1 6 2 completed. Then odd number means which are left those rows. So now let me write here B. B is equal to, so we'll write here 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Similarly, next odd number is, you know that as 3. So 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5. So we'll write 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, and 5 comma 6. So these all odd numbers, you found this. I hope you all understood this. This is even number set, this is odd number set. Next, getting the sum of the numbers on the dice is less than or equal to 5. That means when you add 1 plus 1, what you get? 2. 2 is a less than or equal to 5 or not? Yes. Then we can write that. Let me write that C set here. Down I'll write that C1. So you can observe now this C. So first 1 comma 1. So when you add 2, you are going to get the 2 is less than or equal to 5. Next 1 comma 1 after what is there? 1 comma 2. Next 1 comma 3. Next 1 comma 4. 1 comma 5 can I write? Can I write 1 comma 5? No. The reason behind that, here they said less than or equal to 5. Because of that reason, we cannot write 1 comma 5. Okay. So only up to 5 we need to start. Then next 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. After that 2 comma 4, no, because 2 comma 4 means 6 you are going to get. So let's move on to the next. So 2 comma 3 after 3. 3 comma 1, yes, possible. Then 3 comma 2, yes. 3 comma 2 is nothing but 5. 3 comma 3, 6, so that not possible. Let's move on to the 4 now. 4 comma 1 more than 5. So then 5 comma 1 not possible, 6 comma 1 not possible. So finished your answer of C set. So thus we found here A set, B set, sorry, A set, B set, C set. Now what they said that we need to find out in your questions. Okay, let's start that. So I hope you all understood what I was saying. I hope the clarity is good or not. Inform to me fastly. If clarity is good, then there is no problem. Vishnu writing answer and again removing what was happened in Vishnu. Check that the clarity is missing means immediately inform to me so that we will go for it. We will go for next. Okay. So nothing is missing, everything is good now, I think. Yes. Radhika also writing answer, that's good. Vishnu written, Garima written, and yes. Okay. Now this table you write, draw in your book so that it becomes very easy to solve the problems. If they are given like 2 dice are thrown. So one time try in your notebook so that it becomes very easy. Whichever problem is there in your textbook, you can able to solve. Let's move on to the next. So next here, they said first one, A dash. A dash means what I said, sample space minus this. Sample space means whichever that big table you got in that. Okay. So now A dash is equal to S minus A. S minus A. Sample space means you already know that 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 complete table. From that, you need to remove complete A. If I remove complete A, what do you get? Complete B sets you are able to get. So now answer for this is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. I hope you all understood this. So now next one 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, because you know that set A is completely even number coming first. So then whichever here A naught or A dash means completely A you are removing, means 3 comma 6. Very good. So many are already written, that's well and good. So 5 comma 1, appreciate those students who are done already this. You just check whether answer is correctly you are written or not by observing on this on the board. Okay, so now this is your A dash. Then next second one they said to find B dash. B dash means, again see, this such a fun it is. So S is your sample space minus B. Again you are going to get what? A set completely. So that is, B is nothing but it is starting with odd number. So that you need to write, when you remove this completely, B means only even numbers you have to write. So that means B dash means you are going to get answer as A dash means you are going to get answer. So now complete comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. You may ask, sir, why can't sir I'll write this is equal to A? You can write, but in the examination you have to get marks, means you have to write this complete procedure. Because of that reason I was writing completely the procedure. If I was not written, then you are also won't write, I know that. So now next one it is, we can write 2 after 4, 4 1, next 6 comma 1. Let's complete this. 6 comma 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. And next one it is 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So we finished now B dash. Next, third one, A or B. Or meaning is what I said, union. A union B is nothing but A union B means complete sample space you are going to get. So you write in your notebook, complete this sample space. Sample space means what is that? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 means simply the table which I was drawn beginning. Okay, complete that sample space you have to write in your notebook. Don't write or don't leave only this equal to yes. You have to write complete sample space. That is nothing but 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, and then 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6, then 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6, 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6, and then 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. Similarly, last and final one is 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. That complete sample space, the table you have to write. Then A union B you are going to finish. So next one it is A and B. Your fourth one, A and B. And is nothing but because one is completely with starting with odd number, one is completely starting with even number, so that there is no possibility of common elements. So because A is completely starting with even numbers, B is completely starting with odd numbers, you never going to get any common elements. That is the reason A intersection B is nothing but pi. Here important point, remember, or is there union, then A and D and is there intersection. That you have to remember. So all right, so here it is. I think Garima written answer, and then okay, Garima only more number of times I am finding. Yesterday Hishita, I think Hishita also so much active, but today where is Hishita? Firstly complete. You also need to write answer. Vishnu also now active more. Well and good. So you all writing answers firstly. Radhika, only Radhika just only commenting, not writing answers. Radhika, write answers also. Understood. Keeping okay. Appreciating your friends. That's well and good. So that is about your third and fourth. All right. So next one, which is there, then let us move to the next then. So next one we are going to solve. Okay, where is this another person named Kunal and Kush Kamal, Basant? Where are those? Went somewhere else or what? Today I was unable to see, unfortunately, that much neatly because of internet issues. All right, so that is about it. Let's move on to the next now. So that is about your fourth one. Let's move on to the fifth question now. So I'm going to rub this part itself. And now again, fifth one. Hishita answer I was not finding. Okay, Hishita, where are you going, Hishita? Raising your hand, that's well and good. But kindly write answers. Okay. Vishnu writing in some other language. Okay. All right. Let's move on to the next one. That is your problem number 5. A but not C. What is meaning of this? A but not C means A minus C. Simple. A but not C means A minus C. I think you are able to do this subtraction and all, but anyhow, let me write. So A is that completely is there. C also again you need to write, and then when you are subtracting, complete this C whichever is there 1 1 1 2 1 3 and then 1 4. Anyhow, there is no odd numbers in that. Next even numbers 2 1 2 2. So you just remove this 2 1 2 2 and then 2 3, then 3 1 not there, so 4 1. So that 4 elements remove and then completely write, that is your answer. What is that? 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5 and then 2 comma 6. After that what is remaining? 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3 and then 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6 and then 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5 and then 6 comma 6. Okay, here what you done? Complete C set removed from A. Complete C set removed from the A so that you are got your answer. So where are this? I think only 9 students I was finding. Where are remaining? Garima is completely writing answer firstly. Heath also writing answer. Very good. Well done. Good job. So now 2 4 2 5 2 6 4 2 4 3 4 4 5 4 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. Whichever is there, that is nothing but A minus C. And next one. Remaining, I think you are able to solve, but anyhow, this problem I'll complete. Seventh problem I'll give as a homework then. So B or C. B or C means B union C. So already B you know and C also you know. Just combine that and write your answer. So combine and write answer. And then seventh one is B and C. B and C. That means we'll write in both B intersection C, in both what is common elements check and then write. So let's see now B and C place which are common elements. 1 1 common, 1 2 common, 1 3 common, 1 4 common, and then next 3 1 common, 3 2 common. That's it. So no other elements are common. So right here, what is answer this B intersection C? So 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, and then after that 3 1, 3 2. So this is your B intersection C. When you common in that B and C, you are going to get 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. You just check now here in that last set C and here upper one B. In both what are common? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, and then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. These are common ones. So now B and C means B intersection C is this. So that is about your B intersection C, and last and final question of this sixth. Then we'll finish this problem. All right. I hope you all understood. If you are understood, kindly keep a thumb symbol, then only I can understand. Kindly keep a thumb symbol so that I can understand whether you are understood or not. So now I'm going to rub this part. Right. So now last and final one, simple one, that is A intersection B dash intersection C dash. Last time you are observed that B dash is nothing but what you got A. A dash is nothing but what you got B. Just substitute here. A intersection B dash means what? A. Intersection C dash. A intersection A is nothing but complete A intersection C dash. So A already you know, and then C dash means complete C remove from the sample space, you get the C dash. Anyhow, I'll write here C dash. C dash value, C dash set I am going to write. Let's check. 1 comma 1 is there, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. Which is not there? That right. 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Next, 2 1 is there, 2 2 is there, 2 3 is there. So next not there, 2 4 not there, 2 5 not there, 2 6 not there. Next, 3 1 3 2 is there, remaining not there. So then 3 3 3 4, and then 3 5 3 6. Then 4 1 only is there, remaining not there. So now 4 2 onwards completely you have to write 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6, then 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4, then 5 5, and then 5 6. Next, 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. Simply what I can say is, in the sample space, C dash is nothing but S minus C. Sample space minus C. This is S. S minus C, sample space minus C. Complete this C need to be removed from the sample space. Whatever left, those all the elements you have to write. So now C dash you got, A value already you have, then A intersection C dash, do what you are going to get. In A and in this C dash, which are common elements are there, let's check. So common elements in both. So when you check, you will find here the first one is 2 comma 4. This both are common. Next, 2 comma 5. Yes, 2 comma 5. Next one, 2 comma 6. So write that 2 comma 6. After that, odd numbers not there. Then 4 comma 2, yes, common is there, so write 4 comma 2. Next one, 4 comma 3, so I'm writing now 4 comma 3. Next one, it is 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, so 4 4 4 5 4 6. Elements done. So after that, 5 is not there in that. then 6 whatever is there completely you have to write, that is 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, and so on, 6 comma 6, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, I'm writing here 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6, then finished your answer. Understood this? Anyone having doubt? Inform to me if anyone having doubt. Okay, already Hishita writing next one also. That is so next question, seventh question, true, true, false, like that she is writing. But actually you cannot write in that way. But it's at least you know why it is true, why it is false. Those you have to write reasons. Means A and B are mutually exclusive. Why it is mutually exclusive? A and B are why it is mutually exclusive. So you check A and B, these both not having single common element. Or we say that A and B are disjoint sets. Because of that reason, these both are mutually exclusive. I need reasons also. Okay? Complete that in your home and inform to me that is how you all solved. Okay? That's about your 16.2. Thus, we finished the 16.2, seventh one as a homework. Now, video clarity was less or not good, also no problem, because only voice is required for you all. So, because you just need to understand the concept before 16.2. Okay, let's understand what is axiomatic approach to the probability. Thus we are going to discuss now. So we have now 10 minutes, sorry, it is 10 not 15 minutes is there. So let us understand only the concept. Once the concept is understood, we'll wind up the session. Okay, all right. So let's move on to the our next one, axiomatic approach to probability. If you have textbooks, kindly open your textbook, page number 394. So I hope so you all having textbook. With the textbook and notebook you are sitting before the live, I think. So if you are sitting before live with the textbook and notebook, kindly open page number 394. There is 16.4 axiomatic approach to probability that we need to discuss now. Everyone opened your books? If you are open, just type message as opened, sir. So then I can understand that you all opened your textbook. Everyone opened? Open your maths textbook, page number 394. Very good. Heath is open. What about remaining? Firstly, open your textbook, page number 394. Very good. Kushi said opened, sir. Radhika is opened. Very good. Radhika, you are opened or you are saying only opened? If you are opened, that is well and good. Next, another Garima said opened. Okay. And then Vishnu also said opened, sir. Hista said opened, sir. Very good. Then we will read. So in your place where you are sitting there, you also read. I am also reading here. Okay. In earlier sections, we have considered random experiments, sample space, and events associated with these experiments. In our day-to-day life, we use many words about the chances of occurrence of events. Probability theory attempts to qualify these chances of occurrence or non-occurrence of events. Anyhow, what they were saying, it is occurrence of events, non-occurrence of events. These things are going to be said, going to be discussed in the probability. So then anyhow, you cannot understand if I say in that way. So just you need to remember axiomatic approach plays what is main important. So the main important, the first point is that here I'm going to write in the axiomatic approach plays 3 points are main important. The first point, if any event, if you take, probability of an event should be greater than or equal to 0. and probability of that sample space should be equal to 1. Another one, you need to remember this. If it is mutually exclusive events are happened, then P of E union F is equal to P of E plus P of F. Mutually exclusive means if E and F are mutually exclusive. See, simply remember here it is probability of any event should be greater than or equal to 0. So equal to 0 happen, it is impossible event. Greater than 0 happen, then it is nothing but it is more likely occurred event or less likely occurred event, some event it will be. Okay. And if it is equal to 1 is happen, we can say that it is sure event. Okay. And next one, what is P of S is equal to 1? In the sample space, whatever the events are there, for each and every event, sum should be equal to 1. That is main important point in this axiomatic approach. So that means if you tossing a coin means head and tail. This is your sample space. When I add these both probabilities, I have to get answer as 1. Then only we can say that this axiomatic approach is applicable, otherwise not applicable. Let's see now here. Probability of getting head is nothing but how much? Probability of getting head is how much it is? Favorable is 1, total is 2. So 1 upon 2. Probability of getting tail is nothing but 1 upon 2. Then probability of sample space is equal to P of H plus P of T. You are understanding here? Probability of this sample space is equal to each and every element probability sum should be equal to 1. So that means probability of head plus probability of tail should be 1. Let's see now. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1. Similarly, can you tell for me rolling a dice? So what is your answer when you add the sum? What is the each event probability? Probability of getting 1, probability of getting 2, probability of getting 3, probability of getting 4, probability of getting 5, probability of getting 6. So what are the each one probability? If you roll a die means single die. Okay. Okay, Garima said equal to 1 we are going to get. Okay, you are written that probability of tail and head. That's well and good. You done good job. And I want now about rolling a dice. If you roll a dice, what are the outcomes? What are the probabilities? Whether that all equal to 1 you will get or not. If you equal to 1, then we are using the axiomatic approach. Okay. So then only we can apply this all axiomatic approach and all. Okay, who is written first? Kushi written 1 upon 6, then Heath written 1 upon 6, Vishnu written 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Very good. So give clap to the Vishnu first because he was given each one firstly added and written answer as 1. Very good. So, but first answered is Kushi. For her also give clap. So I hope you all understood what I was said. So now there are each outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6 you get. So each outcome sum should be equal to means all the events of sample space sum is equal to 1, then we can say that it is axiomatic approach we are able to do. And next one it is P of E union F is equal to P of E plus P of F. Here E and F are mutually exclusive. If mutually not exclusive means we just need to write P of E plus P of F minus P of E intersection F. Only this much, not more than that for you to learn. Let's move on to the problems, then you can understand how to solve the problems. One by one, I'm going to explain to you. When the problem comes, that time concept I'm going to explain. Don't worry about that. Let's move on to the exercise number 16.3. We are going to complete only first question. We are going to complete only first question. Once that is finished, we are going to close this session here. All right. Exercise number 16.3, first question. So exercise number 16.3, first one, sample space S is equal to omega 1, omega 2, omega 3, omega 4, omega 5, omega 6, omega 7. This is given and one table given and we have to say the answer. Okay, now assignment A, B, C, D, E. Next, omega 1, omega 2, omega 3, omega 4, omega 5, omega 6. Now, first one 0.1, 0.01, next 0.05, 0.03, next 0.01, next 2.6. So 0.2, omega 7 is 0.6. Okay, next 1 upon 7, like that 7, 1 upon 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 7. So next 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and then next 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. Next minus 0.1, minus 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, minus 0.2, and then 0.1, and next 0.3. Next 1 upon 14, 2 upon 14, 3 upon 14, 4 upon 14, 5 upon 14, 6 upon 14, 15 upon 14. Let's check here. When you add these all events, if you get answer as 1, then we can say that it is a axiomatic approach was done and we can say that it is valid assignment. So if any assignment to be want to be a valid assignment for the axiomatic approach, the first when you add all, if you get 1, then it is, we can say that valid, otherwise it is not valid. Okay, so you tell to me anyhow this first, by observing here itself, when you add this all, what you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 upon 7 is nothing but 1. So it is a valid assignment. Similarly, remaining all also add and check that whether you are going to get equal to 1 or not. If you get equal to 1, then it is a valid assignment. If you are not getting equal to 1, it is not a valid assignment. I hope you all understood today's class. Anyone having any doubt, inform to me. Anyhow, Garima written and Hishita written answer as 1 for which is Garima? First one, 0.1, 0.01. Okay. This one you are written. Okay. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. When you add this all, 0.1 you are going to get or not? Yes. 8, 9, 10. Yes. So now this also when you add, you are going to get answer as a 1. And this check, you are not able to get answer as 1, so it is not equal to 1, so that it is not an valid assignment. So next one check, I think equal to 1 you are going to get, so that it is valid assignment, and another one, it is not valid assignment. Okay, that's all about your answers. I hope you all understood today's class. May God bless you all. So we are going to end today's session here itself. All right. May God bless you all.